Hello everyone. So today was 3rd of July and everyone is complaining about mostly about this move that the and blaming the Jane Street. So I always say that Jane Street से डरने का नहीं. So I mean Jane Street के साथ चलने का. So if we can, whoever it is, like whether they are the Jane Street or any big operator, like they are manipulating the market because they are taking some positions. Now if you can track the positions, track their positions in real time with fund flow, like how much fund is involved in their position. So I mean, I that's the best thing for an option trader, okay? Because the operators have the power to manipulate, and we will just ride with them. So what's the hurry? And now the new ones, like you won't believe me, but again, just give me some time to explain everything. So first coming down to here, that is if you see 188 CR of call writing happened, okay? And so now if you even I mean go to my Twitter, so X profile. So if you see here, that is I also updated that as saying the current update, because I post many updates. So that's why whenever I give some live update, so that because I write current update. So I have told that several times in the past as well. So and after that, I put that mark, and in as soon as the chart started bending in the direction of the big institutional position, so I marked it, and yes, so I left it. The rest was up to you guys. And anyways, coming back to the main point, so the thing is that many people, like even some many big handles are also complaining, if you can see here. And again here, so mostly that move. So now let's come one by one. So what happened during here, so it's 139 to 140. So if you go to the charts of the put side, so if you look at here 138, so the price was 18.79, okay? It came down to slightly 16 or something, and then it went up by to 132. So 7 to 8x move on the put side. So I mean, what's the harm? Like, wait for them to take big positions and ride with them. So also now let's see wherever they took some big positions. Again, you would say that you went lucky here in catching the reversals or whatever. So now I would also say, request you to, for those who are new here, just go to our live section. Live videos cannot be edited later on, and you have the live videos for many live performance. Even today we were live there, but even yesterday also. Yesterday while we were live from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. 3:30 p.m. So from between 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. itself only we got 2 or 3 reversals, okay? So that is the thing. And even if you go on my X profile, you will see many posts regarding that as well. Now here coming down to the main thing, that is okay, so what happened, today was an expiry day, and those who are new here, you will see mostly 4 colors in the indicator. And this is our flagship indicator, which is the HFT Algo Scanner. And there you will see 4 colors. Why 4 colors? Because option chain involves 4 different positions: call buying, put buying, call writing, put writing, okay? We don't follow the call buying because the big institutions mainly they sell, they short. So D green is the call buying, which why we keep, because just for reference, because they might be hedging their positions. Like here, if you see light red means call writing. After call writing, there is call buying. So that means they have hedged their positions, okay? So now coming down back to the main point, deep green call buying, deep red put buying, light red call writing, light green put writing, okay? So we follow the light red and the light green put writing. So here put writing happened in the morning, okay? And this is the model, like the quantum model, okay? The same indicator with a different model, the quantum model. So these are very high frequency traders, okay? And they are very hard to catch, but whenever they come with a very high probability. Like if you see here, that was the right top there, okay? So they shorted calls light red, and that was the right top, and it fell. There they did put writing. Here also some put writing happened in our main model 1. So then after that it went up. Right at the top, again you would see heavy call writing, like 146 CR of call writing, 108 CR of call writing. So more than 250 so almost 250 CR of call writing happened here, right there, and it came down. Like even here also, like more than 200 CR of call writing happened throughout here. Even if you just see here, that is so 29.9, 30 CR, 32 CR, 60, 50 CR, so 110, and here again 27. So like let's say 30. So 140 cr just of call writing happened here. Again here again 35 and again 32 60. So 200 cr of call writing happened, and you see right before the fall, and right and after that it fell. Okay, so and all these happens real time. It's nothing like it has repainted later on or something. So just go and check out the live streams. You will see that it happens in real time. So there is nothing we are faking or anything here. So again here mostly call writers were dominating, call writers dominating. Suddenly this up move came in. Okay, suddenly this up move came in, and then like this was a fake one. Like here if you see the 188 cr of call writing happened, and again it fell. Okay, and so that was the beauty of catching reversals, like even in a highly volatile market today. For our indicator HFT Algo Scanner, even like we also go with Sensex as well, so that like for a double confirmation. Okay, so if you look at Sensex as well, so here put writing happened right at the bottom. We don't follow the dip green, which is called buying. It went up. Again here call writing happened, and again here also call writing happened. It was consolidating, and right before the final down move, again call writing happened. Mostly if you look at this region, call writing happened and it went down. And again here small sharks were present. Mostly if you see, I mean you can very well see where big positions happen, like here, even in Nifty also, where big positions happen here and here. Okay, and here. So rest is like out of the big sharks there are also small sharks and big sharks. So these are the big sharks, and those were the small sharks. Okay, and again in Sensex as well, the big sharks came in and it fell. Okay, so now you would say put writing also happened, but look at who is putting the bigger bid. Okay, so like only this amount is put writing, not the whole amount. The below amount is deep green, which is called buying. So the call writers are putting the bigger bid. Okay, and coming down here, some put writers came in and to support, and even like at the end also like call and put writers were present, and mostly like they were like small sharks, and the big sharks were here. So that is how like you can track the big institutions and in real time, and and ride with them. So you don't have to worry about any manipulation in the market. Yes, obviously manipulation will happen, but we can avoid it by tracking the big institutional positions. Okay, so that is what my message is like. And again, if you want the indicator, so you can like go to my X profile, and there you have the website address where you can go and you can get the indicator. And so yes, again, that's it for this video guys, and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.